Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved online on PC. First, you need to purchase and install the game through a platform like Steam. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay. A stable internet connection is crucial for a good online experience. Once installed, launch the game to begin your adventure. This initial setup is key to accessing the vast online world of Ark. Once Ark is running, navigate to the main menu and select the Join Ark option. This will open the server browser, where you can see a list of available online servers. You can filter these servers by various criteria, such as map, player count, and ping, to find one that suits your preferences. Choose a server and click to join, then wait for the game to load. Ark offers both official and unofficial servers. Official servers provide a consistent, standard experience managed by the developers. Unofficial servers are player-hosted and often feature custom rules, higher rates, or unique modifications. You'll also find player versus player, or PvP, servers where combat against other players is central, and player versus environment, or PvE, servers focused on surviving the world and its creatures. To thrive online, consider joining a tribe. Teamwork significantly boosts your survival chances. Always familiarize yourself with the specific rules of your chosen server to avoid conflicts or bans. Building a secure base is vital for protecting your valuable items and tamed creatures. Lastly, effective communication with other players, whether allies or potential rivals, is a key aspect of the online Ark experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.